Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Tech Mastery Pro, and I cover tech tips, tutorials, and everything Windows. Today's mission? Helping you turn your Windows 11 desktop into a space that's not just functional, but also uniquely you. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you find this helpful. Let's start with the basics, your wallpaper. Right-click anywhere on the desktop and choose Personalize. From here, click on Background. You can choose a picture, a slideshow, or even a solid color. Want something dynamic? Check out the Windows Spotlight feature that changes daily with stunning photography. Let's start with the basics, your wallpaper. Right-click anywhere on the desktop and choose Personalize. From here, click on Background. You can choose a picture, a slideshow, or even a solid color. Want something dynamic? Check out the Windows Spotlight feature that changes daily with stunning photography. Pushpin Pro Tip. You can use high-res wallpapers from sites like Unsplash or Wallpaper Engine for animated options. Method 1. Using right-click. Right-click anywhere on the desktop. Hover over View. Choose Large Icons, Medium Icons, Default, Small Icons. Method 1. From the Start menu. Click the Start button, Windows icon in the center of the taskbar. Find the app you want to pin. You can scroll or search for it. Right-click the app. Select Pin to Taskbar. Method 2. While app is running, open the app you want to select Pin to Taskbar. Method 2. While app is running, open the app you want to pin. When it appears on the taskbar, right-click its taskbar icon. Select Pin to Taskbar. How to turn on transparency effects. Open Settings. Right-click anywhere on the desktop and choose Personalize. Go to Personalization Colors. Scroll down to Transparency Effects. Toggle it on. What becomes transparent? When enabled, this adds subtle glass-like transparency to Taskbar. Start menu. Action Center. Quick Settings. Notification background. Some app windows, like Settings. Gear optional. Adjust theme for better transparency. To maximize the look of transparency. Still in Settings, Personalization Colors. Choose a dark theme, better for contrast. Enable Automatically pick an accent color for my background for a dynamic touch. Light bulb bonus. Use third-party tools for advanced transparency. If you want deeper transparency customization, try Wrench Translucent TB, free on Microsoft Store. Customizes the taskbar with blur, acrylic, or clear effects. Wrench Glass 8 or window blinds. Add more advanced arrow glass style effects to app windows. If this video helped you customize your Windows 11 desktop, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I reply to as many as I can. Studio Microphone, subscribe and hit the bell for more Windows tips, tech tutorials, and productivity hacks. Until next time, happy customizing!